Hello, classmates. My name is Tina Gote Santiago. I'm doing my personal bio introduction for this course. I'm an elementary school English teacher with over 20 years of human resource management experience. I'm seeking a degree, a bachelor's degree in public safety administration and management. I would like to work for the Department of Defense Education Unit as an administrator, helping to develop and maintain the critical infrastructures of education systems that may have been broken down due to natural disasters. My long-term goal is to be able to travel to these different communities and help them reestablish their systems so that way the children's education doesn't suffer and we can get them back on track with partnerships through local, state, and federal aid, like the Department of like FEMA and so on and so forth. I am looking forward to learning from each of you in this course, and will be completing my degree hopefully by the end of this year, and I wish you the best of luck with yours as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.